today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a full face makeover with just using concealer. So I'm going to be taking 260 Pro Filter concealer and I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to go in with the Precision concealer brush and just take up a little bit of product. And I'm going to start to apply this on all the areas that have a little bit of redness, that might need a little bit of coverage. And always remember that with this concealer, a little goes a long way. They are very pigmented. And then I like to go in with the little Precision sponge, and I kind of just want to make sure that everything is really nicely blended. So now I'm going to go in with concealer in 250 for her under eyes. To get a little more precise, I'm going to use the very tip of the wand, more so on the inner parts of underneath the eye. And then anytime I want that full nice swipe coverage, I'm going to lay the doe foot down to give more coverage underneath the eye. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to create like this really nice little V shape under the eye. Now I'm going to take my little Precision sponge, the pointier sponge, and I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to blend out that concealer into the skin. Now a little trick that I like to do is I like to go 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. So now I'm going to be using 240, and this is going to be to brighten the under eye area. And I like to just focus it more on the inner parts of underneath the eye. And again, going back in with my little Precision sponge and just blending that in. Now we're going to get into sculpting the face and giving the face a little bit of contour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Pro Filter concealer in the color 280, and I'm going to apply it right above where the cheekbones indent and a little bit on the sides of the temple area. This is going to help give the face a really nice shape. I'm also going to do a little bit on the sides of the bridge of the nose. I'm also going to do underneath the chin and jawline area. Now I'm going to take the little Precision sponge and I'm going to blend in all of her contour into her skin. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit of reverse contour. I'm going to go back in with the Pro Filter concealer in 250, and I'm going to take this with the actual wand and I'm going to lay it flat and I'm going to scoop underneath her cheekbones. This is going to make her cheekbones really pop, and it's going to cut her cheeks really nicely and give her cheekbones really nice structure. And I'm just taking the Precision sponge and I'm blending this. I'm going to take our Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the color Banana. Now I'm going to take my Powder Puff Setting Brush and I'm going to dip into my product and tap some of that excess off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to just tap and roll this product all over. And as you can see, it takes the shine away instantly, but your skin still looks really breathable and smooth, and it still looks like skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe at Fenty Beauty.